Crunchy, flavorful, and super delicious. These sauteed potatoes are going to take less than 20 minutes to cook, and they are going to turn out epic. I love how potatoes are a super comfort food because they're super versatile and they're super filling. So with very minimal ingredients, let me tell you, this recipe is going to turn out amazing and mouth-watering. Grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. You're going to start off by prepping up your fresh veggies. That is your onion, and I have chopped up my white and red onion. We have some coriander, a few spices, that is paprika, garlic powder, oregano, and black pepper. And the key ingredient is your potatoes. So you're going to peel and chop or cut your potatoes into wedges, just like this. And also you're going to need some salt and cooking oil. So we are going to start off by parboiling our potatoes. So you're going to place a pot over medium high flame and add in 2 to 3 cups of water. Next, you're going to pick your clean potatoes and transfer into the cold water. The trick to the perfect parboiled potatoes is placing the potatoes in cold water so that they can cook evenly. So you're going to be adding in a little bit of salt so that you can season the potatoes, and I'm going to be adding in a teaspoon. Also, parboiling the potatoes is going to speed up the cooking time for our sauteed potato wedges. Wait for around 1 minute so that the water can come to a boil. Then you're going to parboil for around 3 to 4 minutes. When your potatoes are parboiled, you're going to put out the flame and drain off the water. So I'm going to use a slotted spoon, which is going to help me drain the water and transfer the potatoes in my bowl. Next, I'm going to place a pan for shallow frying my potatoes over medium flame. So you're going to add in around 1 to 2 cups of cooking oil. If you're going to be deep frying, just fill up your pan and deep fry your potatoes so that they can get that nice flavor and also get that golden brown color. As the cooking oil is getting hot, steam is going to escape from the potatoes, hence they're going to dry up a little bit and you won't have oil splashing all over. Once the oil is ready, you're going to carefully place in your potatoes and fry until the potatoes are crispy, which is going to take around 2 to 4 minutes. This is how your potatoes should be looking after parboiling. As you can see, the edges are nice and straight. There's no crumbling on the edges. That is what I'm trying to say. So that means that the potatoes are perfectly parboiled. I'm going to check on my potato wedges, which are frying, and this is after around a minute. And after 2 minutes, this is how your potatoes are going to be looking. As you can see, they're getting that nice, perfect color. So next, I'm going to place another pan over medium flame and add in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil can get hot. Then you're going to add in your thinly sliced or thinly half-moon onions. And as I said earlier on, I'm using the red and white. So the red is going to add in a very nice onion flavor to the sauteed potato wedges, while the white onions are going to add in sweetness, a kick of sweetness to the potatoes. My first round of potato wedges is ready and they look absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that. So I'm going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towels so that they can drain off the excess oil. Just look at that. Add in my second round. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is going to help the onions to cook down because they're going to drain off the water from the onions. Hence, they are going to soften up or get translucent. So you're going to cook your onions for around 1 to 2 minutes as your potato wedges are frying, and the kitchen at this point is smelling absolutely incredible. This is after around 2 minutes. This is after 2 minutes and the potatoes are starting to crispen up, and I'm using medium low flame to cook my onions. You want the onions to slowly cook so that they can caramelize and add in a very nice taste to the potatoes. My second round of potatoes is done frying, so I'm going to transfer to the rest. And as the onions are slowly cooking, you'll notice that they reduce to around half a cup. This is how your potatoes should be looking. As you can see, they're super crispy and I absolutely love the edges. When you notice that nice golden brown color on your onions, you're going to add back your potato wedges into the pan. I'm going to be adding in some more flavor to the potato wedges. So we have a teaspoon of paprika and garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, which is going to add in so much flavor, and a touch of black pepper, that is around a quarter teaspoon, which is going to add in so much flavor. That is a very mild spiciness. So toss everything together with the spices, and this is how everything is going to be looking. Let me tell you, the kitchen is smelling absolutely incredible, especially after adding in the garlic powder, because you can catch a very nice garlic flavor and also some oregano. Yeah. So you're going to cook for around 1 minute, then you're going to garnish with some coriander. If you don't love coriander, you can add in some parsley, and this is going to add in a kick of more flavor. I love adding in coriander as my garnishing condiment because it adds a very nice flavor. So I'm going to sprinkle in a tiny bit of salt. Toss. So I'm going to put out the flames and serve. Wow. My sauteed potato wedges are ready and they're looking absolutely amazing. I love that they have a very nice reddish color from adding in the paprika, and the aroma in the kitchen right now is so good. Let me tell you, even the cameraman is salivating, right? Yeah. So yeah, we are totally waiting to try out the potatoes or to feast on the potatoes because they're super delicious. And with all that said, my cameraman is going to be trying out the sauteed potato wedges. How is it? Tasty. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it needs very basic ingredients.